Check out these ceiling tiles. I know it's dated, but I think it's come back around and looks kind of modern. What do y'all think? So today is a prep day for new ceiling tiles. We're gonna fill this hole here, get it ready, and install 4 can lights over the kitchen here, removing this dome light. So a little bit of electrical, get ready to lay tile on the ceiling. All right, so we're installing these halo. They come with the junction box. Stay tuned.